Hey y'all, thanks for checking out Grassroots Gardening. In today's video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to grow organic garlic. So first things first, we just picked up these 6 seed garlic bulbs from our local garden center. This is a bulb of garlic, and this is a clove of garlic. We're going to unwrap the bulb to usually get about 6 to 12 cloves. This is what we're going to be planting. This is going to turn into this. Now you might ask yourself, well, can I just buy garlic at the grocery store and plant it? And the simple answer is yes, you can, but it's not going to do as good as these seed garlics, which have been bred specifically for home gardening. The ones you get at the grocery store have potentially been sprayed with a growth inhibitor to keep them from growing on the shelves, meaning they have a longer sellability. That's going to really inhibit the growth once you plant them in the dirt. They're still going to grow, but they're not going to do as well as the ones that have been specifically bred for gardening. We'll start by unraveling this paper shell on the outside. This protects the garlic in the ground. With a little bit of wiggling and pressure, we can separate the cloves from the bulb. And you want to just gently pry the cloves away from the bulb. Now, one of the most important things with planting garlic is timing. You want to plant it about approximately 1 month before your first frost date. So for us here in South Carolina, that's usually about October because our first frost date is typically November the 10th. You can go on the internet and search first frost date, punch in your zip code, and it'll tell you. And then again, just approximately 1 month before that date is when we want to plant. And we're going to plant each individual clove pointy side up, and we're going to plant it about 1 inch deep. So by planting each clove in the fall, it's going to start to grow a little bit before the first frost and before winter sets in. It's going to grow a little bit, get itself rooted in for the long winter. Now during winter, it's not going to do a whole lot. Next spring is when it's really going to do its growing. And then by summer, we should be ready to harvest. Now I'm planting in a raised bed here. See, we've already got some fall veggies in it. I've dug 2 furrows about 2 inches deep right here. And each one of these are where we're going to plant our garlic cloves. First, we're going to use a little bit of this organic biotone starter. This is going to be our fertilizer to help them get started and then really feed them next spring. Follow the directions on the bag, but we're going to use about 1 cup per row. Now that we've got our rows fertilized, we're going to come in and plant each clove pointy side up. We'll plant them about 3 inches apart, giving the bulb plenty of room to grow. And then when we cover these over, they'll be about 1 inch deep. So we're planting our garlic in a good organic compost mix. This is a little bit of a Spoma Land and Sea compost, as well as some compost we've made in our own yard. Good draining soil is super critical when growing garlic. It doesn't want to sit in wet, soggy soil all winter because it could rot, so it's very important to have good draining soil. Once you've got them planted pointy side up, about 3 inches apart, we're just simply going to cover them up with our compost to where they're about 1 inch deep from the very top of the pointy end. Now it's time to water them in so they can go ahead and start growing and getting themselves established for the wintertime. And y'all, it's really that simple. Anybody can grow garlic. Plant it in the fall, let it do its thing all winter. It starts to really take off next spring, and then we harvest in the summer. It's that easy to grow organic garlic. If you've got any tips on growing garlic, put them in the comment section below and hit that like and subscribe for me down there for more tips and tricks on gardening. Because the more you know, the more you grow. We'll see you on the next video, y'all.